What is going on, everybody? We are back today in the shop, and today got some coilovers for the TDI. Let's get them put on. These rear shocks are blown anyways. Good thing we're getting rid of them. And I think we're gonna have to start off probably almost as low as it'll go. The rear is on. Still not sure about that, but whatever. Let's move up to the front. With that off, now the coilover is out. Now I gotta get this pinch bolt out, and then we can slide it out of the knuckle as long as everything works correctly, but we will see. Spray some coil down inside of there, loosen everything up. Moment of truth. Am I gonna have to pull the spacers off or not? Let's find out. We might not. Well, what do you guys think? We still got one more side to do, but I think it's turning out really good. I'm actually super impressed that I didn't have to take these spacers off. Dude, the fitment on this thing is so tight. It's definitely gonna rub, so I'm definitely gonna have to like pull the fender. But I mean, it looks pretty good. I think the front can actually go down some. Because the back I have like slammed, the rear is slammed. So I think it's gonna sit lower in the rear than it does in the front. It looks pretty good. What do you think, Piper? Look at that smile. She loves the lower cars. Well, that's neat. Sway bar end link's junk, but I'm gonna put it back together. Pry bar. What the hell? Why is this shit always gotta do stuff like this? That actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, that wasn't even that bad. Alright. It's time to get dangerous. I need my hammer. There we go. Probably don't grab your coilovers with pliers, but whatever. Alright, good enough. Ah, fuck, I just smashed my fucking brake line. Well, that's good. Don't do that, kids. Don't smash your brake line. That'll do it. Yeah, a little mad I smashed the brake line, but whatever, things happen. Dude, this shock is literally completely blown. I guess it ain't that blown. I thought it was, but it's not. I stand corrected. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see this thing. I don't know if I can hold two cameras at once. Now this side is rubbing really bad. Yeah, that side's not gonna work. Might have to pull the spacers off, but this side worked out. Nah, never mind, I lied. Yeah, we're gonna have to take spacers off. Oh well, at least now we know. Well guys, I've been daily driving the Slam Jetta for about a week now, and I have zero complaints. And so far, after changing the injection pump in this car, this thing is running absolutely flawless. I do still have one check engine light for the glow plug circuit, which I have not figured out yet. That is obviously my fault, but I want to show you guys one last look at the car after the suspension's settled. I think it looks awesome. I do have a couple things that I want to do to it, but I will get to that later on. So we did pull the spacers off the rear, and obviously they do fit a lot better now, and you can see the tires are still rubbing very slightly. I'm not worried about that. The front, I did go ahead and roll the fenders out. I did that with a hammer and dolly, so obviously it's not perfect, and I need to repaint the fenders, but I also did a quick release front bumper, super gay. That's fine, but it does sit rather nice. Gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed. I also threw the front grille in finally, so that's also cool. So future plans are probably along the lines of obviously getting a tune done for this car, because it does still need that. I do want to go a little bit lower with it. I might do some different wheels, because these wheels are bent and they suck. It's really bad. They're terrible, I have to say. I've always been a real wheels over reps kind of guy, and this is the reason why, because this car is on reps and they are bent, cracked, junk, and junk. They're junk. So with all that being said, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of the Jetta in a comment below. And if you have any suggestions, comments, concerns, questions, any of the sort, drop them in a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me. Thank you all very much. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.